boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop, my friends. The Scoop is for your entertainment and your education only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor, my friends. I'm an author. I write books, my friends. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook. You can get the paperback book. You can get the ebook. Books like these right here, my friends. I won't go over all of them because there's a whole lot of them out there. You can go to your local library. You can tell your librarian. He or she will order those books for you right away, my friends. They have their budget right now. They'll order Mickey D books for you free. You'll be in position when this thing turns around. You can start a marijuana investment club, my friends. You can do it all. You'll know exactly what's going on. You'll be up to speed with all of our subscribers that have the books already and have taken advantage of that and looked at those things. I've given them free audiobooks, the whole nine, my friends. If you need anything, just let us know, my friends. It's going to be a busy week, my friends. It's Monday. Happy President's Day to everybody out there, my friends. Happy birthday, Q. My sister's birthday is today. Happy birthday. You know, since this internet stuff came along and YouTube and all that, man, we don't even talk. You know how we used to talk? Happy birthday, you have an hour conversation or something with somebody. That's probably dating a lot of you guys in it. We don't do that anymore, man. It's like, you know, happy birthday, YouTube or text or something like that, you know. We don't get that intimate kind of conversation. How you doing? How's the family doing? All that kind of stuff. So, Q, I am going to be calling you sooner rather than later, and we can catch up, you know. Like I said, it's going to be a very busy week. My friends, we've got these caucuses and these primaries all over America right now. We're up next in Nevada, where I have a legal residence, my friends, in Nevada. Former Vice President Biden has contacted. Bernie Sanders' campaign has contacted. Pete has said, come down. Amy has said, you know, Tom and you know, Elizabeth. I'm kind of biased. I like the ladies and going to their functions first because I always, you know, Amy, you know, she's really cool. I like her, and I like Elizabeth Warren. But I don't know if any can knock Bernie out or Pete or Biden when he gets rolling here, which he will. So I told the guys, I declined it all. I said, I'll be at the debate. So I'll be there for you guys here in a couple days. And maybe we can shake hands and take some photo ops and all that stuff. You know, I'm not into that stuff, but you know, I give you an attaboy or attagirl and a pat on the back or something. That's what you need. That's what you're looking for. You're really looking for my vote. So I'll end up giving one of you that also, my friends. Also, my friends, on Thursday, I believe the government's going to have a Bitcoin auction. So that Bitcoin may fluctuate and everything. You know, we really talk about your cannabis and your marijuana investment. We do that analysis, my friends. We do technical, we do fundamental analysis. But one thing that separates us is we go out and we knock on the doors. We find out what exactly is going on with a lot of these companies, my friends. If you've been with us for a few years or so now, you know how we get down, man. We find out exactly what's going on with these companies. That's what we do. We're going through this giant melt up right now. We're going to have a blow off top here sooner rather than later in the markets. But this stuff can go on for days and months and sometimes a year or more, you know, where these stocks continue to go up and up and up. You know, I ain't mad. You know, some of the stocks I own, you know, Amazon and some of these stocks I own, you know, in the retirement account and stuff. I'm not mad at these stocks going crazy, but I'm gonna set my stops, my friends, because sooner or later the music is gonna stop and the stocks are going to come down. But while they're going up, you ride the wave, my friends. And that's what we're going to do. My friends, we're going to talk here about what's going on here with Ethereum and what's going on here with Bitcoin here in a second. I'm going to also give you an update here on OWCP. I'm going to give you a couple more stocks to maybe look out for while I'm busy this week doing my thing here. I also have my sixth grade teacher. How many of you guys keep up with your sixth grade teacher? You guys know, if you've watched the show for a few years or so, you know that my sixth grade teacher comes out about this time of the year. I spend a lot of time with her, and we have a lot of fun. And as she goes, we go to the races and stuff, and NASCAR races and all that kind of stuff. And I have a little fun with her, you know, not quite, my appetite, but I love it, you know, and spending time with old professors and old teachers and instructors, people that have influenced your life, is not a bad thing, my friend. It's a fun thing to do, and I kind of love it, my friends. But this weekend, like I said, happy President's Day again. It's Monday, President's Day. The weekend and even today, our stock, one of our main baby knockouts, Hive Blockchain Technologies, it's down right now on the exchange in Frankfurt in Germany. It's down. It ended today down maybe about 5-6%. It was down about 6% today. So if that means anything for us tomorrow, when the majority of us, the U.S. Canadians do their thing, it looks like Hive Blockchain may be down a little bit. Well, my friends, what's happened is after I would talk to you last week, Bitcoin has kind of taken a sinker below 10,000. Now, who's to say it won't be above 10,000 when we all wake up tomorrow and the U.S. market, Canadian market's open? No one can say that because this stuff moves so crazily. It's been down over 10.5. Of course, you guys know it got rejected at 10.5, and it went back down to 9 and some change down below. I believe we're about 96, almost 9,700 right now. On our way back, bouncing back up. Hopefully we can bounce back up over 10 because we'd like to see it over 10,000. Ethereum, it's taken a whack also. It went down less than Bitcoin because Ethereum, we think with Hive Blockchain is mainly an Ethereum miner. We think it's going to be a #1 stock this year. That's why we're in it. You'll have an opportunity probably to buy it a little lower, because maybe it'll go down, maybe even on Thursday when they have the Bitcoin auction. So maybe it'll go down and you'll have an opportunity to buy it at, who knows, 20 cents USD. It may go down as far as Trader Pro is saying it's going to go. He's saying it's going to go to 14 cents. We'll see, my friends. Time will tell. Either way, that'll be a good little opportunity for people to pick up some shares if that's what they do. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a stock broker. I can't tell you to buy or sell any stock at any price on any given day. So don't test me, my friends. Do not test the scoop, and do not test its host, Mickey D, who will say, no, I cannot do that. And thank you every now and then, Izzy, for having my back on that. I can't do it. And anyone else that has my back on that, thank you guys very, very much. But, my friends, Hive Blockchain Technology is a crypto miner that we expect to do big things in 2020. I want to give you another one also, my friends, that we're going to try and accumulate a little small stake in it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Riot Blockchain. I'm talking about RIOT. Now, you've heard me mention it a couple times. I've mentioned Riot. Riot was in a whole lot of trouble with the SEC. Well, they've been cleared of any wrongdoing, of anything. It's just the stock went up fast. And so they had to stop that. We know this crypto stuff. We got to stop this crypto guys. We got to really, we might have to put the hammer down on these Bitcoin guys. So, you know the deal, the government, whoever, they say, hey, this is happening. Hey, the stock went up to $30, $35 or something like that real quick within a short period of time. And it's down now to $1.64 USD. So they've been cleared. Now the takeoff is ready for Riot Blockchain to go back and assume its rightful place at plus $20 USD. In my opinion, my humble opinion, I think that it's a stock that should be a lot more value than that. And I'm going to give you a bonus pick also. It's only 30 cents, my friends. But one of our subscribers said, Mickey D, take a look at another little stock out there, Interbit. Interbit is a blockchain. This is with businesses and stuff. Business technology, business blockchain company. BTLLF is the symbol. BTLLF on the over the counter. It's only 30 cents. It's got an opportunity also to, over the next year. We're talking about these miners, these crypto miners. We're talking about with Riot and with Hive, we're talking about the next year of these stocks running really hard. Now, after that, my friends, after the year or so, I don't know. But we're looking at them running really, really hard here because there's going to be some changes. You know, Bitcoin is going to halve here. Is it what, May 20th or so? And there's going to be less Bitcoin out there, what have you. Things happen and the market moves every time. This has happened, what, twice? Twice? It's been twice, I believe it's happened before. Two times, maybe three times. I think two times. I have to check, my friends. I'm not, you know. But when it has halved, it has skyrocketed. A year later, it was way up. So that's what you need to know about that. When it happens, a year later, year and a half later, it's way up. So whatever the price is going to be then, if you get in now, get in later, get these stocks now at 30 cents, at $1.60, at 25 cents. Whenever you get these stocks, my friends, just think of a year later, they're a lot higher. In some cases, you know, these stocks, you're millionaire higher. You know, I don't want to put that out there, but some of you are going to catch the fever, and that's just what you're going to do. You're going to make a boatload of money. That's just what you're going to do. And that's going to be nice on your part, my friends. The day wouldn't be complete without an OWCP update, marijuana update, my friends. Things are happening in marijuana right now. It's not good. We're in a bear market now. Every time the stocks go up, I know everybody's tendency is to say, hey, Mickey D, the bear market is over. The bear market is over. We're going to go up from here. We're headed up. My friends, that's really not the case. In a bear market, you know, you've got to show a lot more than these quick bounces up and quick bounces down. So far, you know, my friends, people remember the good days, the good old days. 2016, 2017, you know, 2018 and 2019 was totally a bear market, and we've been there since. And we're in our second year of this bear market, my friends. But stocks like IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, my friends. I'm talking about let's make money online with cannabis stocks. Where's that book at? Right, that book right there. Sorry, I don't have one for you. I think I had a visitor, and I gave the visitor a copy. I gave him some books. You know, when you visit Mickey D, he always loads you up with books, and then you go back home. Had a visitor from out of state, loaded them up with books, and they go back home with books, and they can read them and stuff. But we picked it up, and I wrote about it. See, I got to write about this stuff because I know there are people out there that doubt everything, you know, so I got to write about it. So I wrote about it, and this REIT, this real estate investment trust is dealing with it. It's 17, 18 cents at the time. We loaded up, my friends. It went up to $140, my friends. You feeling me? Now, how much money could you have made on a $17, $18 stock, $19 stock that went up to $140? You could have made enough to, as I thanked one guy a few years ago. I was at a conference, and I thanked him for a car. I said, that pick you did, I was able to get a new car. And he, you know, thinks, I'd take you for a drive, dude, if you had time. But he had to catch his flight, get back. But it was really, really nice. You know, you can do things when you get in stocks super early, like we are with some of these blockchain, some of these crypto stocks right now. And there's not a lot of them that are worthy of your money, my friends. Very few are worthy of, just like right now, there are very few marijuana stocks that are worthy of your dollar. You know, Canopy being one of them, GW Pharma being one of them, Innovative Industrial Properties being one of them. But a lot of these stocks, like in the crypto sector, I think blockchain, you know, I could tell you, you know, go with Microsoft, or I can tell you go to one of these other stocks, let's go to Square, you know, but I'm telling you about pure players, my friend, pure miners that are crypto blockchain type companies. These are type, you know, Bitcoin type companies. That's what I'm telling you about, my friends. So when that heats up, these things are going to explode. There's going to be an explosion beyond your wildest dreams when this thing heats up, my friends. It's going to be an explosion. I don't care who's in the White House. We don't care who wins the election or anything. There's going to be an explosion here, my friends. Yeah, there's things egging this stuff on. As long as Bitcoin stay, you know, Bitcoin's been famous for up way up, 20,000, and then way back down, 3,000. It's been very, very volatile, and it's a very. I mean, if you don't have a stomach for it, my friends, then that's not something you want to do. If you're not a subscriber, my friends, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. I just got a message just now. I have to run, my friends. OWCP right here, my friends, 3 cents. We're looking for that gap to possibly fill. If that gap doesn't fill, under 5 cents, 0.47 cents, accumulating OWCP before any announcement is a great idea, my friends. Got to run. Love you. God bless you. I've got to run right now. Yes, I love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.